Introducing the Benro Slim Video Tripod Kit. With its name deriving from its slim, compact profile, this tripod kit is perfect for filmmakers who seek performance and portability on the go. With the ability to support up to 8.8 pounds, this tripod is ideal for shooting video with smartphones or compact cameras. These tripods feature a slim profile shoulder, allowing for the tripod legs to be more compact when folded, which helps you get to your next shooting location with ease. The slim tripod legs feature anodized aluminum twist locks that only require a half turn to lock and unlock, saving you both time and energy. When battling uneven terrain, the slim tripod's lightweight shoulder features 3 leg positions, with each leg able to be positioned individually. When getting that shot you need, every detail matters, which is why the tripod's grooved center column prevents twisting when in use, and can be raised or reversed for low-to-the-ground shots. A weight hook is located underneath the center column for added stability. Staying level is made easy with included bubble levels for even more accuracy. Included with the slim video tripod is a compact pan and tilt video head, featuring smooth damping, which provides flawless pan and tilt movements. And when it's time to go, just pack your tripod into the included drawstring bag and you're on your way. Lightweight, versatile, and made to go anywhere. The Benro Slim Tripod Kit gives you the features you want, the support you need, and the slim profile you've been dreaming of. So what are you waiting for? Let's go!